So guys, in this video, we are going to use our parabolic SIR dot to find the entry in 5-second time frame. Watch this video very carefully because it is going to be extremely helpful for you if you make trade by using the parabolic SAR. So our first trade has gone wrong. No worries. This kind of things happen. And you can use the S5 candle, S5 trading time frame, and then here is the parabolic SAR indicator, which is also my favorite indicator. So this shit here, I have got an entry point, but I missed it. Okay, anyways, fine, we missed it, but it seems to be a strong trend at here. So what we'll do is we'll try to make one trade in the same direction. Okay, because it was a strong trend to go up. Okay, and we made profit. So try to understand by my explanation. So here you can see single dot have formed in second dot. Always the market will fall down in most of the time. Okay, and as you can see here, we have achieved that profit. So let's go. So here also you see a strong trend is trying to happen, and here is the resistance area. Okay, but let's wait and see. So how strongly it have tried to come. Okay, so now market could go above anytime, and at this point we decided to make trade by clicking on lower because it was a strong fall down and a retracement had happened, and we took that opportunity and made trade. As you can see here, I have already made few trades profitable. So here it is a little bit weak candle, but it is now trying to move up. But let's see. uh See, whenever these dots are above the candle, that means it is a downtrend. Whenever these dots are below the candle, then that means an uptrend. So candles are two not nice, I would say. Here you can see a strong uptrend is there. Okay, and whenever the retracement is happening, market is trying to go back again and again. So what we'll do is we'll take the advantage of these kind of points where we can make the trade. But yeah, we made the profit. As you can see here, after each retracement there was a sudden upward direction. That's why we made the profit in this chart also. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show. If you trade in a conscious way by seeing my explanation, you could also make profit, but do not over trade. Okay, loss are the part of the trading. And if you want to copy my trades by using the social trading feature of pocket option automatically into your account with the accuracy that I have shown you right now, then you can join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the first comment below and in the description below. So now let's see in another chart. Here you can see one dot have formed, and in second dot market will most probably go up. As you can see here, uh, yes, we made the profit. Always in this second dot, I made this much video about this second dot that you cannot ignore. Okay, you must watch all of those videos about this parabolic SAR. This works like a charm. Here you can see 79% payout. Will not make trade in that currency pair, so we'll move to another currency pair. And here you can see strong fallout, one retracement, and again it was down. Okay, but let's see if we could make trade. No. So here also we have nothing. Here also nothing. Nothing. So a strong fallout and a pullback, and here we could take the risk of making trade, and let's see, neither profit nor loss, as you can see here. So guys, I would like to end the video here. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.